Hi everybody, my name is Earl Helm and I'm the inventor of the Easy Pull Door Closer. Now if you're in a wheelchair, a walker, or a scooter, you know what a problem this can be. Trying to close this door behind you. You have to cross the threshold, try and grab the knob, it's out of reach, you don't want to put your fingers behind the hinges. Just use my invention, the Easy Pull Door Closer. As you can see, it's clear, it blends with any decor. It's flexible, made from polycarbonate, it's durable, it comes with a lifetime warranty. So if you're interested in my product, won't you please visit my site at www.e-zpulldor.com. Thanks.